Hey friends, Coastie Chris here. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to do a quick video and see if you guys can hear this. The cicadas are everywhere. I don't know what it is about this section of the woods, but I feel like I have to shout at you just to have it record on the camera. It's just crazy. It's so loud. Hope you all have a great day. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Coastie Chris out.
All right, so this is a cicada tree. You can tell because of all the husks from the malted carcasses. And the actual carcasses, but these were all husks of when they sprouted out of the ground here. Well, there's one that might have just recently died. You can see it's still red. And then as you go up, every part of this tree has either live cicadas on them or the husks, even the leaves. Hey, you can see the leaves up there. Isn't that crazy? Yeah. Now they just made it and then they die. It's crazy. Nature is wild. We'll see you in 17 years, guys. See you again. Coastie Chris out.